So I'm gonna see if I can get the sprockets off the camshafts. I'm just gonna mark the everything. I hit myself in the mouth. I'm bleeding somewhere. So I'm gonna try to extract the the camshaft seal with a construction screw. Please come out. How is this so difficult to remove? Oh, yes. No way. Second hole. And I got it out. Nice. The new seals arrived. I'm gonna this is small. And it's in. Voila! Washed it. Now let's start putting back the covers under the camshaft sprockets. The purpose of this car, haven't talked about that one yet, but we want to make it a winter racer. My bro, who I ride dirt bikes with, we have this for the winter. We might have fun on the field as well, but we are planning to ride it next winter mostly. We got it right now when the winter has just ended, but if a good offer smacks you in the face, you'd have to take it. Anyways, oh no, didn't get the juice. Okay, now it's okay. I'm putting Loctite, not Loctite, thread lock. This is not original, but I'm gonna put it everywhere. I don't want this shit to fall apart. Also thought of reinforcing the front. We're gonna have a bash bar and a skid plate to protect the oil circuit that's just right in front, and the radiators. So I'm gonna start on that sometime soon. Not making any promises just yet. Right now I wanna get this timing belt back on, engine running again, make sure there are no more leaks, and then I wanna ride it.
võiks viisakas olla. Käib tihkelt.
Ring number 1.
Käib nagu mootor käega tegid.
Number 2. Ma arvan, et see pigem see siemab rohkem. Puuduta. See ei olnud õige. Ma ei tea, sa võid ära. Ei no, kõik peaks olema, noh. Ja enne töötas, nii et noh. Äkki on lihtsalt, et õlisurve tuleb üles ja siis on vaikus. Proovime vähemalt.
Mis meil üle jätkas?
No näed! Korras!
Aku tuli põleb.
Kenekat ei ole peal hetkel.
Mannal on ka ikka päris rämedalt arenenud, kõiki asju nii järgi teeb. Aga olid, nägidki see kuradi TSG õlid ja igale poole ja Mersu need kuradi sellel Audil ka samamoodi see mineral roheline. Mul oli kunagi 124 viskab üts, ta läks kohe keemales.
Saad sa proovida seda?
Mis radiaator on?
See on roolivõimu jahutus.
Pead tulemist kohe.
Mis? Ei! Jäta see sinna kõrvale, kui sa oled. Vaadata ju võid selles mõttes. So I made these stealth mounts for the protection bar in front. So I welded these and I drilled holes in the bumper. And afterwards we're gonna make a sled type of protection for the front. And now the attachment points are quite stealthy.